Today's vlog brings you an up-to-date look at some of the building and renovation works that are going on in Benidorm at the moment. We start along Calle Girona in the new town, on the corner junction where the strip meets the square, where we firstly see the Broadway Cabaret Bar. Already having had a revamp during the pandemic when its outside terrace was transformed into a pink and turquoise riot of Caribbean colour with tropical palm tree and sunset backgrounds and comfy sofas making it the paradise area, it's now being tackled again to bring it even more bang up to date. Broadway is part of the Casamara group, which includes other well-known venues such as the popular Cabaret Bar, Talk of the Coast, and the Insomnia nightclub, which was formerly known as Stardust for many years, and now Broadway itself will be having a full refurbishment like others in the chain have already had. As you can see, the builders are ripping out the existing fittings with skips on hand to pile the debris into, and whether this sort of establishment is your cup of tea or not, I'm sure that the works will improve the look of it on the whole, and I can't wait to have a peek at it in the future once the whole revamp is finished. Now moving on to the square, or Avenida de Mallorca, we take a look at the Bahamas nightclub, which is sandwiched between the fast food takeaway of the Pit Stop El Chippy and the Beachcomber Disco Bar. Always a favourite with partygoers who like to dance all night and into the wee early hours, as you can see by the before footage, it's now having an update behind its corrugated iron fence with plenty of noise coming from inside, although whether they are just working on the terrace or the whole venue I couldn't say, so watch this space for further news in the coming weeks. Now heading back along the strip again, we see the infamous cafe bar of JJ's Benidorm, which always seems to attract plenty of comments on social media, with opinions always firmly divided on the food, prices and service. After a small period of closure, it's now been given a modernisation with a new colour scheme to boot, making it look a lot fresher and more attractive from the roadside at least, but as it's somewhere I've never frequented in all the years I've lived here, I really couldn't comment on whether it is now better, worse or just the same. Staying in the new town, but moving to the corner junction of Avenida de Filipinas and Calle Lepanto, we see the Royal Arrow Bar, which sits under the 4-star Hotel Gold Arcos and opposite the also 4-star Hotel Presidente. Popular with holiday makers and locals who like a well-priced daytime drink in the sun, as well as bringing you the chance to watch all the live sports, play a game of pool or dance the night away inside to their DJs, the venue has undergone a full revamp outside, with work concentrating on the outdoor terrace area. Now complete, you can see that the furthest corner part of the terrace facing the Presidente has been lost, but making an extended interior space for those who wish to sit inside instead, and also increasing the space to hold nighttime events, and I think that the new addition blends in very well. With daytime pints still on offer at just 2 for €3, as well as a variety of bottled beer deals and evening cabaret starting at 9 p.m, the Royal Arrow remains popular, and you can see why. Now heading over to the Rincon de Loix and along Avenida Dr. Severa Ochoa, just next door to the corner bar, we can see a very quick snapshot of the ongoing works that are taking place to bring us a brand new large Lidl Superstore, with work progressing slowly and little more than a very deep hole having been completed, which surely must indicate that there will be underground parking available for customers, which I'm sure will be handy for many. Now we go down to the beautiful Levante beachfront and promenade, where we will see that essential infrastructure works have been taking place in front of Café Roman on the corner, as well as the adjacent Bikini Beach Bar. Although access ramps into these establishments were provided by the workmen, I'm sure the general noise, dust and ugliness of the essential works put some people off going inside, but as always, these sort of repairs do have to be done, and surely must have been urgent if they couldn't have waited until after the Christmas period. The work is all completed now, however, with little trace that it was ever there at all, meaning that customers can eat and drink in peace once more, and with that fabulous, unimpeded view stretching out in front of them. Bliss. We finish deep into the heart of the Old Town, where on the long pedestrianised shopping street of Carrer Thomas Ortuño, we see a new apartment block carefully taking shape next to the El Sostre interior home store and just down from the historic La Barqueta building. The work is being carried out by AGP Constructores, who have over 20 years experience in the sector, and no doubt they will make this new modern structure blend in perfectly with the older buildings that already line this iconic neighbourhood street. This brings us to the end of today's vlog, and I hope that you've enjoyed seeing some current video footage of your beloved resort of Benidorm and what's going on here at the moment, or has been in the last month or so. If you did enjoy watching and listening with me, then please check out some of my other videos which show you many accommodation options in Benidorm, with full reviews and inside footage of lots of the most popular hotels, along with taking you on info-packed street and beachfront walks and bringing you lots of local news, updates and reviews on cafes, bars and new businesses, and just about anything else I can think of as well. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you out and about next time. Take care, have a good day, and catch you again soon. Cheers!